A Waldorf school, there's a high focus on emotional intelligence, and this is really directed at connecting with students over a long period of time, where a teacher in the kindergarten has the same students for a number of years.
Each time we deliver curriculum to the students, we're meeting them through the feeling of the stories of history. So we want to give the students a feeling of what's taken place in history, and it's developmentally appropriate for the stage that each grade is at.
All the way through the grades, that same teacher supports their growth to help them understand how to deal with conflict, how to work together in groups, how to develop their own goals and work through whatever they encounter socially or personally, or in their learning as they develop and grow through the curriculum.
And then as we are bringing that, it's coming through stories and art and drama, so that children are living into the feelings of these experiences in history rather than receiving this knowledge through intellectual conversations. It goes into a depth of feeling that is living in them throughout their lives.
The schedule incorporates not only learning by heart, but more learning while you play, and that is very kids-like, and they love doing that. So they are very creative, they paint a lot, it's arts, handicrafts, music is included all the time. They're playing the flute.
I really like music. I really like movement. My favorite classes are movement, lunch, and recess, and art and gardening.
Art and gardening, and handwork.
And we often find students will then travel on to high school and university and experience these really interesting connections that they're making with the same material at a later grade level or university level, that they can tap into these feelings that they recall through their experiences of drama and art, and it's so much more meaningful for them as they get older.